Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I am glad you're here. I want to take a quick second to thank all the channel members. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate you all more than you know. Just to drop my IG down here, which is the same as my YouTube channel at jevans_knifeact_life. And then just invite any of you, if you haven't had a chance yet and you're so inclined, hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon. Will notify you when I release new content, upload new content like this unboxing that I'll upload after I finish bagging it. But today we have something that is odd. We have something that is different. We have something that is strange. And the unboxing knife is going to be my T-tail Piranha. I was perusing the bowels of Amazon like I tend to do, and I'll try to put a link in here to this knife if you guys are interested. This is just an unboxing. This is not a review yet. But what we have here is a titanium utility knife. So let's just grab our baby banter. So titanium utility knife. You guys know, first of all, full disclosure, I'm a knife addict. I'm also an idiot. I make bad decisions. So I've already got a utility knife in my bug out bag, but this was a little different looking. So I thought I'd check it out, which I'm glad I did. I wish I knew what I could call it, but for now, we're just going to call it utility knife. That is, I guess, an extra roller. Extra piece of hardware to keep the blade on. And I'm thinking it probably doesn't have a blade in it now. Let's see. It's a frame lock. Pow. Pow. Guys, this is a little milled titanium flipper frame lock that we're about to put a blade in here. But I can tell you this, when I have my finger on the clip, not on the bar, if I put my finger on the bar, it makes the detent really, really harsh. It feels dry too. But if I lay back on it, the action on this thing is good. So let's put a blade in it. Let's see what we got to work with. So my gut tells me there are no instructions. No foul. Break out our T-tail again and score that right there. And grab us one of these China blades for this here China knife. Let's see how this works. All right. So I'm guessing, I think this just slides in here, guys. When I watched the video on the Amazons, there you go. It just slides in like so. You don't have to remove this screw. And what I like about this knife, and I think I can exchange this hardware. I saw something like this, maybe this same knife on Lefty's channel, and he was taking it apart like this, and he replaced this thumb screw, which doesn't get in the way of my finger. So let's see what we got. Guys, there is what I find to be a very unique utility knife called titanium utility knife, made in China. I will leave a link for it. It will be an affiliate link. So if you guys, I got to join the Amazon affiliate program. I'm not going to flood the channel with Amazon stuff, I promise you that. But if I have a product that I picked up on Amazon, because I do it from time to time, I will put a link there. And when you click that link, it'll take you to Amazon, and the channel will make part of that sale. So I get actually paid a little bit of a, I guess you'd call it a commission for everybody that uses my affiliate link. You can also go to Google or go to Amazon and search for titanium utility knife. The reason for the affiliate links is it gives me a way to get a little something back, and hopefully gives you guys a way to get to something if you like it just by going to the description. Guys, I appreciate you taking a look at this unboxing. I can tell you I am kind of stoked with this little knife. I'll compare it with the other one I have, and I'll use it for a while to see what happens, what I think about it as an unboxing knife and things like that. But it is pretty sleek. It is titanium. I can't remember how much I paid for it. I want to say it was somewhere around $50 or $60. I will put that in the link. But guys, have a great day. Have a great evening. If you watch this today, which you probably won't, but if you do, come stop by Friday Night Flicks. There are a couple of videos floating around on my channel that you can watch and leave a comment. It's going to be a fun night. I look forward to seeing all of you. All I ever ask is that you please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.